Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will show you how to create 3D curves in SolidWorks. To create 3D curves, we need to go into sketch option here. In sketch, this sketch is used to create a 2D sketches, means on a single plane, on one plane. Whereas if we want to create a curve on 3 supports, on 3 planes, we need to go for a 3D sketch. Using this 3D sketch, we can generate a 3D curves. I will use this option and I will show you one exercise in SolidWorks. First, I go to sketch and I select top plane. For a base, I create one rectangle. Then I go to 3D sketch. Here I go to 3D sketch. In 3D sketch also we have options like line, circle, rectangle, all those things. Now I create one, I select line. See, normally in 3D we can also create a line with some angle on any support. So I take a line like this, escape. At this corner, here you can also create points, and we can select points instead of creating a rectangle. 40 degrees line like this. Again I create a line. Inside I take straight with less height. In the same way at the middle also, here at this side, line. .45 degrees line at this corner. Line at the middle. You can also apply dimension in 3D sketch. See, this is 3D sketch. We can also apply dimensions. See, this line height should be 20. Here I take a line. For this also we can give dimension. I give all the same length for all lines. Then exit. No need to exit. I be in the same 3D sketch. I select that 3D sketch and I go to edit sketch option. Now Now we have a points. Now what I do is, in 3D sketch only, we are in 3D sketch only. I go to spline, then I connect all the points. Now we got a curve like this. See, this is 3D curve. In a single sketch only we can generate a 3D curve. Then I go for OK. I exit this. See, here we got a 3D curve, and I hide this to add solid along with this curve. So this is just a sketch, and we need to create this into 3D solid. As we got a 3D curve like this, then go to features, go to swept boss, select swept boss, and we need to create a curve. If other than circle, like a rectangle or any other shape, we need to create a sketch of that. Or else, if we want a circular feature, then simply here just go for circular profile, select this 3D curve and select this OK. Then give the value, some 5 mm or 6 mm I want the dia, or 5 mm. Like this, we can generate a 3D curve with a single option and a single sketch. See, like this. Or if this is a circular feature, circular solid, if we want some other shape, then profile sweep we need to use. I delete this, take a plane perpendicular to this curve, select the curve and select point. We get a plane perpendicular to that 3D curve. Now I go to plane, I go to sketch. Here I create a profile. I create a hexagon of smaller size. I exit this. I hide this plane, right click and hide. Then go for swept boss, sketch profile option. Here just select this hexagon. For curve, select this 3D curve, then go for OK. So now we got the solid with the hexagon shape. So when you cut that, it will be in hexagon shape. Then now this I use this feature. I rotate this feature by using circular pattern. Now what I do is, I hide this sketch now. 3D sketch. I apply a color. Then for axis, I select plane, I go to sketch. To make that pattern in a circular way, take an axis at the middle. I select this sweep, circular pattern. Now direction, I select this axis. Then I go for OK. See, now we get like this. As it is 3, we get the output like this. Now I go to edit. Now I increase to this 6, then go for OK. And we can hide this axis, as this line we took for reference. For axis of rotation I hide this. So this output we can generate by 3D curves, by going into 3D sketch, and inside we can create a circle and we can generate a surface to show the base. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.